Diolch. Hi, this is Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. Here's how to say "how are you" in 3 different dialects. Please be aware that this is only my take on the dialects and that there are many other variations. Canúint Chonacht, Connacht dialect. Ke chhuiltu, ke will tu. Ke chhuiltu. Céan chuí a will tu. Céan chuí a will tu, but is most commonly said Cechultu. Canúint na Moon, Munster dialect. Conas atá, Conas atá tú. Conas atá. Conas atá. Canúint Jolla, Ulster dialect. Gé mar atá. Gé mar atá. Gé mar atá. Cad é mar atá tú, but is said Gé mar atá tú. To learn more phrases in the Irish language, take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.